can have the microphone. Oh, you're from Indonesia? No.
Good evening, Tan Sri.
Yeah, good
My
evening.
name is Tasha from Malaysian Print.
Yep.
Tan Sri, I just want to confirm reports that are saying that these two female that was arrested, they actually, okay, so far investigations from talking to them, initial finding, what have they said? There have been reports saying that they claim this was a prank and they were not aware of how serious this was going to be. They thought they were filmed and all. Could you confirm or deny that?
I think at this moment, let it be. I'm not going to comment, but this is a process of investigation.
Perhaps
We need to confirm all this first before I release it to the public.
Thank you.
Okay.
Next.
Assalamualaikum Tan Sri.
Waalaikumsalam.
Farid daripada The Star
Yes.
newspaper.
Yep.
So far, polis percaya the 4 suspects yang Tan Sri named just now, the North Koreans, do you believe that they have left the country?
Okay, we have checked. And I can confirm today that they have left our country the very same day the incident happens. Yeah.
Tan Sri,
yeah.
one more question.
Yeah.
Regarding the post-mortem and releasing the body to the next of kin or the North Korean government, of course I was made to understand that priority is given to the family to claim the body. But how long the body is to be kept if nobody claim it and released to the North Korean government?
Okay. I base on the procedure adopted, which is being stated in our legal system first. Number one, the body must be identified. The most eligible to identify the body physically is the next of kin. Those who has a very, very close relationship to the deceased. Number one. Number two, we will verify again through scientific means. We have to prove the disease through scientific evidence. That is the DNA test. So it is very, very important for family, the close family members of the deceased, to come forward to assist us in what we call the process of identification, which is based on our legal procedures and the Malaysian law.
Hi, I'm Terence from Free Malaysia today.
Okay.
Good evening, Tan Sri.
Good evening.
My question would be, like the 4th North Korean suspect that was arrested a few days ago, he possesses an I-card. So with the possession of the I-card, would the police look closer at the North Korean community that's possessing the I-card in Malaysia?
Yes, of course. Those that has been arrested by us, not only the last suspect, the 4th suspect. Number one, we have to make sure that their true identification is being revealed, number one. So we are going through all the possible means to identify them. If he has a card, we will see the validity of the card, where it originated from, and of course, due investigation will be carried out at the place where this identification is being issued. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Next, please.
Local first. No, man, you have your time. I'm sure I'll give you a chance. Don't worry.
Yes, the gentleman in blue.
Yeah. Okay.
Assalamualaikum Pak Sri. Saya Dio
Where are you?
Dari BNC Bernama Nasional. Saya nak ada 2 soalan. Datuk, adakah polis sudah menemui isteri dan anak mangsa untuk dapatkan DNA? Dan kedua, kalau Jong-un, adik dia sendiri nak tuntut body dia boleh ke? Okey, sekian, terima kasih.
Ulang soalan pertama.
Soalan, adakah polis sudah menemui isteri dan anak mangsa Kim Jong-nam
Okey.
untuk buat DNA?
Jawapannya setakat ini, setakat hari ini, today, we haven't met the next of kin yet. So we are working, we are trying very hard to get the next of kin to come and to assist us in the investigation. That is number one. I put it this way. We base on priorities, as I said just now. Number one, the closest to him. So it becomes those very close to him, brothers, sisters, son, daughters, wife. Yes. And that I would like to reiterate here this evening that number one, we have to confirm the people that come forward. So they have to produce evidence of facts pertaining to their identity and convince us who they are, what are their relation with the deceased, so on and so forth. And only when we are satisfied, then we will proceed to the next action. So this is because the identification of the body is very vital to the investigation. Okay?
Okay, can we have the gentleman just now? Local, yeah? From the local, right?
Good evening, Tan Sri. Charles from The Sun.
Where are you? Please raise up your hand.
Tan Sri, as for the four suspects who have escaped, are you seeking Interpol's assistance? And next question is on the motive of the killing itself. It's an open secret that there is a political motive behind this. Now, could you confirm this for us?
Repeat your question, please. Your first question.
The first question is on the escape of the four suspects
Okay.
who fled the country.
All right, I get you. Okay. First, as per normal. Number one, we have to gather fact and evidence first. To their, what are their action that we need them to assist in the investigation. So, we have to collect all the evidence pertaining to the involvement of these people, of these suspects. Number two, then we will proceed with the next plan is to get them. And then we have, of course, we have international cooperation, especially with the Interpol. We have bilateral agreement with a country involved, and we will use all those sources, those avenues, to get these people to come forward or to be arrested, hand over to us for further investigation. That is number one. Okay. The police force investigation. We are not interested in political or whatever other motives. What we are interested is that why they commit such a crime in our country. Okay, so you can put all the political aside because this is not our job. Our job is to reveal the truth, to gather facts, to get the evidence, and to bring the perpetrators to justice. That is our responsibility.
I'm Keith from BFM Radio.
Okay.
Right at this juncture, no one's actually referred to the deceased as Kim Jong-nam. Can you confirm that it is indeed him, please? Thank you very much.
I will answer this way. Number one, I have to base on facts and evidence. At this juncture, I base on the documents that is being found on the deceased. The document stated the deceased is Kim Chol. So we hold that the fact is, to the fact now, he is Kim Chol, based on the documents, until and unless the genuinity of the passport is being verified. Okay? So it is Kim Jong-chol. Kim Chol at the moment. Yeah. But that is why I like to stress here that DNA, the process of physical identification, the process of scientific identification to the process what we call DNA is very, very important to us. That is why we plead, yeah? We call for the family, the closest next of kin, to appear to us and cooperate us in determining the identity of the deceased. Okay?
Tan Sri, Harith Mohammed from New Street Times. Tan Sri, I have two questions. First, the 4 suspects who have fled the country, where did they fly to? And second, what was this Kim Chol was doing here? It was speculated that he had been coming to Malaysia many times, and was police not informed about him because Jong-nam is said to be someone targeted, high risk.
Okay. Okay, number one, we don't speculate things. No, we don't we base on facts and evidence. Apa salah?
But we cannot really what was the decision.
Okay, all right. Your question, please. Yeah. All right. I confirm today. Yeah. He left our country on the same day. I'm not going to reveal here. It is. Leave it to us for our further investigation. We are looking into this. But I confirm you, they have left the country the same day. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Up to now, does the next of kin ever demand to claim the body, or did they appoint any third party to claim the body?
I make it very sure. Number one, they have to come forward to us, because this is very, very important. So they have to come forward. We don't use third party. They cannot come to third party. Okay. Number two. Okay. Until today, nobody has come forward to us, but we are working very hard to get the next of kin to come to us. Okay.
Hi, I'm from Korean media YTN.
Yep.
I have just one simple question. Do you think the suspect was ordered from North Korean government?
Beg your pardon?
Do you think they ordered from North Korean government?
I cannot get you. Oh, I see. They hold a North Korean nationality. That's all I can comment with at the moment. Because I have to say, they are North Korean. They are, the 4 suspects are from North Korea. So other facts yet is under police investigation. We are looking into it.
From NBC News America.
All right.
2 questions.
Yes.
As my colleague
Your name, ma'am.
Yep.
And
Janice
you are?
Freyer.
Your name, please.
Janice Freyer.
Thank you, ma'am.
NBC News. Were any of the suspects you're currently pursuing holding diplomatic passports?
Okay, your second question?
And my second question, you had mentioned the involvement of international law enforcement organizations such as Interpol. Are there other law enforcement agencies from surrounding countries who are actively involved in this investigation? If so, who are they?
Okay, number one, the 4 suspects are holding a normal passport. It's not a diplomatic passport. Number 2, okay. Number 2 is, of course, the official. The official aid will come from Interpol. Yeah. They are the, yes, they are our partner overseas.
But are you working with other law enforcement agencies at a national level in surrounding countries such as China, South Korea?
This is our local problem. We are looking it locally, and I don't think at the moment we are asking aid from other countries unless it is needed. So far we are working ourselves, we work together with Interpol. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Assalamualaikum, Tan Sri, saya Dodi dari TV One Indonesia. Sebelah kanan.
Okay.
Terima kasih.
All right.
I have 3 short questions
Okay.
for you, Tan Sri.
How many?
3 short questions.
Okay, so question.
First, what is the role of the Siti Aisyah? And second, what charge for her? And 3, when are you going to give access to Indonesian embassy for giving consular assistance to Siti Aisyah? Okay, thank you.
So your question in Bahasa, I will reply in Bahasa. Number 1, the role of Siti Aisyah. I think you can, there are footage being released. You have the footage, and then you can interpret from the footage. Investigation files at this moment, I think it's very prejudicial for me to release the media. Okay. The second question is, yeah. Oh, the charge. The charge on Siti Aisyah is yet to be determined. We are going to refer the case to the DPP, to the Attorney General Office for decision, and of course, the Indonesian embassy has every right to see their citizen after the investigation. Of course, we will allow that to happen. It depends on the outcome of our investigation, but I don't think we are going to keep her for long until we will allow. Just a matter of time. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
My name is Dong Jin. I'm from China Central Television.
Okay.
So currently we know that the victim's body is in the central hospital. And we know some days later you will release and send it to someone or maybe North Korea. And we just want to know who will be the receivers, the family members or North Korea. Thank you.
I have stated it very clear. The priority is to be given to the next of kin. That is the family, the closest family members. Okay? Yeah.
Next, can we have the gentleman? Yeah, the one with you.
Hi, sir, I'm here.
All right.
That's from Asahi Shimbun. My name is Chun Kiet. I just want to Chun Kiet.
Can you just, your name please?
My name is Chun Kiet. I'm from Asahi Shimbun.
Asahi.
Yes.
Asahi.
That is Japan.
Japan is
yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So just to ask you, why is the investigation on the cause of death taking so long? Because it has been almost 1 week. So what is the reason? And can I confirm that the next of kin did not go through the China embassy in Macau to make the request to retrieve the body? This did not happen, right? Next of kin did not ask the China embassy in Macau to retrieve the body. Thank you.
Okay. Number one, pertaining to the post-mortem report. I think to date, I have stated it very much earlier, to date, we haven't received the post-mortem report yet. So at the moment, I cannot say very clearly today what is the cause of death, number one. Number two, you must understand this is a very, very important investigation, and the hospital will have to look on every aspect of it. And they are still looking into this matter, and we hope to get the report very soon. The issue, you see, we have to send a sample to the chemistry department. We have to send the sample to the for toxicology test, and then I think in a very few days, we will have the result.
I'm from Korea, Korean Broadcasting System. So I have one more time. I would like to. Can you one more time confirm the North Korea government related with this situation?
I confirm the perpetrators, the suspects, the four suspects that I have stated very much earlier is from North Korea. That is at the moment. They are from North Korea. I don't confirm what they do. It's still under police investigation. I got to confirm facts first before giving it to the media.
You cannot confirm the North Korea government?
No. It comes from the country named North Korea.
One more thing. Did you confirm what kind of poison?
It's still in the process.
Just the process?
Yeah.
Yeah, next
I
please.
released to the media when I got the result from the hospital.
Can you confirm the four suspects were brought to Sepang
what happened?
Yesterday?
Yep.
Is the Korean national, the four suspects that that were brought to Sepang IPD were the North Korean guy.
Yeah, the last one. Okay. Okay. All the four suspects. Yes, I confirm he is a North Korean based on the documents that we have. And we are verifying the report.
Is he confirmed that he's the one that police brought to the IPD?
Yes, yep.
Next.
Japanese television Tokudane. Hi, I was just wondering whereabouts of the suspects who still remain at large. Could you confirm any destinations of those suspects who are still at large?
I think we have answered that question. They have left our country, and I am not going to disclose where they are, where they fly through. No.
Okay,
it is, yeah. It is very sensitive.
Two suspects who are trying to trace. What could you tell us about how are they associated with the crime?
We want them to assist us in the investigation. Of course, I cannot reveal what is their role at this moment.
Okay, and let me confirm one more time. Okay, on those two female suspects, they said they was prank. It was really prank. Do you have any solid evidence that what they're saying is true?
So, it's still under investigation. I don't reveal.
I know you cannot tell
things that are now. It's very prejudicial. Now, it's very prejudicial me to read these things early. You know, let we complete the investigation first. We gather the fact and evidence, then we release it to you. Okay.
Gentlemen, please avoid repeating the same question because we're going to give as much opportunity to the rest of the media. So please avoid repeating the same question. This gentleman here.
Yes, I'm Thap Nguyen from Thanh Niên newspaper from Vietnam.
Okay.
Yeah, can you confirm me that what's the nationality of the suspect that named Đoàn Thị Hương, but she, the woman bring the Vietnamese passport? That's a fake or real or?
We will verify the document, but at this moment, she holds a Vietnamese passport.
That's it. Excuse me, sir, that's the real passport or the fake passport?
At this moment, it's a real. In the midst of further investigation, we will verify the passport.
Welcome, Tan Sri. My name is Ting Ting.
Welcome, sir. Thank you.
My name is Ting Ting. I'm from Phoenix Light TV. I have two questions. The first question I have for you is, I know it's inconvenient for you to reveal the country where the four suspects have escaped to, but could you share with us whether the Malaysian police have already contacted the government, the country, or their respective police force? The second question I have for you is regarding the body. So far, we know that North Korean embassy has come forward to claim it. Is there any other countries who have come forward to claim the body? Thank you.
As I have stated very much earlier, yeah, our official channel is to the international police organization, that is the Interpol. Number two, that so far, nobody has come forward to the police to claim the body.
Except North Korean.
Yeah.
Yeah, the gentleman up there.
Okay.
I'm Min Soo-seo, MBC from South Korea, and I'd like to know, just as far as I know, and the Malaysian police department has sent some documents to North Korean embassy requesting the related data and documents to the killing of North Korean. And the other thing is, do you think the killing is professional or amateuristic in your investigation? Thank you.
Okay, we have sent the passport of the deceased to the North Korean embassy for verification. That is number one. Number two, I cannot comment on that.
A chemical expert, as reported. And besides, the second question, besides what he's working in an IT department, what was he doing here? And the third question is, could you verify if there was a North Korean cell operating out of his house in KL? Thank you.
So number one, I would confirm this is a North Korean working here, working in a factory here. And we are going to check. It's subject to investigation. That covers number one and number two question. On the third question, sorry, no comment from me at the moment.
Simon Mawson from CNN. There's a couple of clarifications I need as well, sir, so if you'll bear with me. First of all, we understand a reconstruction took place a few days ago. If that is the case, could you talk us through what exactly was reconstructed? What was the scenario? Secondly, there is a photograph from CCTV that's going around in the local media with a lady with an LOL shirt on. Can you please clarify if that is one of the female suspects in custody? If it's not, then please tell us so we don't use the photograph. Thirdly, is this a murder investigation? All your press releases say it's an investigation into the death of a North Korean man.
Enough. Big question enough.
Okay.
And
Enough.
one
Okay.
other clarification.
Okay. Let me answer you one by one. I tend to forget what you asked. So number one is, okay, that is part of, okay, on the reconstruction of the scene, that I think is normal. That is part of our investigation, that we need to know how things happen. Okay? I cannot reveal at the moment. Okay? The number two question is,
what was your number two, second question?
To confirm the lady with the
whether
LOL.
the lady with the LOL
the
t-shirt seen in CCTV in local Malaysian media. Is she one of the female suspects in custody? If so, which one? And if she's not a suspect, can you tell us?
Okay. This is it's still under our investigation. I cannot comment much on this until and unless we have confirmed from facts and evidence. No. Okay. Number 3 apa ni? Betul?
Are we
And the
investigating
third
a
question
murder?
is
Okay.
the murder investigation.
We are investigating a case of murder. Okay.
A case of murder, is
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, to be fair, somebody from this side of the room, please. Yes.
I am Chorong from CBS South Korea. North Korean embassy said they don't accept the result of this investigation because they couldn't see the autopsy, right? So what do you think about it? And my second question is, when do you give Kim's body to North Korea? Is it in progress?
Okay, I comment this. Everybody is interested, especially the police. We are very much interested in the autopsy report. We too. We are looking forward to get the report as fast as we could. But at the moment, you have to understand the constraint and the sensitivity of case. I think the hospital side is looking thoroughly into this case. So we all hope that we can get the autopsy report as soon as possible. Number 1. Number 2, I think, okay. You must understand what we are following is the procedures, the standard operating procedures and the legal requirement of our country. They can claim that they are not, but I think we are transparent enough. We follow our SOP. Okay?
Okay, this is Tang Park from the Mail Business newspaper in South Korea. You said that the king of the Kim Chol has to be showed up, and that is very important, right? What if they are not showing up for a reasonable time? Then the body will be to the North Korean embassy. And my second question is, what if the king of the Kim Chol is in China or different country, not North Korea? Then you guys will release the body to the China if the king living in China and China government said yes?
Okay. First, I made the audience very clear that the next of kin has to come forward. I have given a time frame, and if still they don't come forward, then we have to look for the next option. I don't disclose at the moment. You wait and see.
What is the time frame?
I give 2 weeks, not more. Yeah.
From the time of death?
Yeah.
Tashi, may we conclude the conference, please?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I give you a chance. Okay. 1 local and 1 foreign. Okay? Okay. I think we have to be patient now. We are also interested. They say spray. Let the autopsy report confirm everything. That we are waiting for that. Maybe on his personal business, no, which still under our investigation.
You said 1 question, you have come up with 3 questions.
Okay,
Next, last question from my international office.
All right.
North Korea has made very strong statements.
Yeah.
They threaten strong response to
Malaysia. Is this affecting Malaysia's investigations at all? Are you worried?
I think I should make this very clear. They can say anything. Yeah. But as far as we are concerned, we follow the legal and procedural requirement of our country. the legal requirement in our country is that, number one, every death in a suspicious manner. I refer to this case, death in a suspicious manner must be investigated. We have to put a report. We have to submit the report to the court for decision. Okay? So it must be investigated. So in this case, we are investigating a sudden and suspicious death. So we have all the right under our criminal procedure code. Yeah, they can comment. I think they can comment anything. Yeah. So we just follow our rules and regulations. Okay?
Thank you, Tan Sri.
All right.
Thank you, Dr. Sri. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for being here. Good day.
So I follow the MC will decide. So thank you very much. See you all the best. Yeah. See you in very near future. Okay. Right.